Hello, I am Ruth, and I want to share with you the incredible journey of faith and love that God led me through. My story takes place in the land of Israel during a time when life was far from easy. It all began with a decision to stay loyal to my mother-in-law, Naomi. After my husband's passing, Naomi decided to return to her homeland, and she urged me to stay in my own country. But my heart was stirred by a deep devotion to her. I couldn't leave her side, no matter the challenges we might face. So, hand in hand, Naomi and I embarked on a journey to Bethlehem. It wasn't an easy path, but we faced it together, trusting that God had a plan for us. In Bethlehem, I started gleaning in the fields to provide for us. Little did I know that this seemingly ordinary act would lead to a remarkable encounter. One day, while gleaning in a field belonging to Boaz, a kind and generous man, our lives took an unexpected turn. Boaz noticed me and inquired about my background. His compassion touched my heart. He showed me favor, allowing me to glean freely, and even providing me with extra food for Naomi. Naomi, who had keen insight, recognized the potential in this situation. She encouraged me to follow a custom of seeking redemption through a kinsman redeemer. Boaz was a close relative who could fulfill this role. Naomi's plan was rooted in faith, and I trusted her guidance. As a sign of my willingness, I visited the threshing floor where Boaz slept. In the dead of night, I approached him and lay at his feet, symbolizing my hope for redemption. When Boaz awoke, he acknowledged my actions and assured me that he would do all he could to redeem me and my family. Boaz fulfilled his promise. He approached a closer relative who had the first right to redeem us, and when that relative declined, Boaz joyfully took on the role of kinsman redeemer. Our faith was rewarded beyond measure. In a beautiful union, Boaz and I were married, and our family grew. We were blessed with a son named Obed. Through God's grace, our story of hardship and faith transformed into one of love, restoration, and legacy. Looking back, I am reminded that even in the darkest times, God's hand is at work. He guided me to Bethlehem, where I met Naomi, Boaz, and ultimately, where his plan of redemption unfolded. My journey is a testament to the power of faith, love, and trust in God's providence.